Hi friends, it's Mrs. Curry. Remember, I'm not going to be with you on Google Meet this afternoon because I have a baby doctor appointment. So I get to go see my baby and then I have to meet with the doctors. It's going to take a long time, so I have to be off for the whole afternoon. I wish I could be with you. I would much rather be with you than be at a bunch of doctor's appointments. I have the question of the day ready for you, so you can get out your yes and no card, or you can tell one of your family members that's near you your answer to the question. Here it is. Do you like chocolate ice cream? So the question is, do you like chocolate ice cream? My answer is yes, I do like chocolate ice cream. So we're going to have our Tuesday friends share on Wednesday. So we'll have no sharing today, and you can move on to count to 100. Do good work today. See ya.